How to delete AliExpress account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your AliExpress account. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. What you want to do is you want to open up your AliExpress application and you want to make sure you're logged into your account that you want to delete. Once you make sure that you are logged into the account, what you want to do is you want to tap on the account option at the bottom of your screen. At the bottom you can see home, shop, feed, cart and account. You can see accounts. You can simply tap on account option and you'll be headed to this account page. Now once you're what you want to do is at the top right you can see the flag there and you can see the gear icon, little gear icon there, and you can see the message icon. You want to simply tap on the middle icon, the gear icon there. Once you tap on it there, what you want to do is you'll get varieties of option. You can see no delete account option here. Now to find the delete account option, simply tap on the profile option and here you'll find the delete account option. Simply tap on delete account option and it will prompt you to another page where you'll be able to confirm your account deletion. Now here you can see at the bottom of your screen, if you tap on delete account, your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your AliExpress account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.